This short video explains how to shower with Dermclens Skin Cleanser before your surgery. You need to shower with Dermclens Skin Cleanser before your surgery. Dermclens Skin Cleanser is a 4% chlorhexidine gluconate liquid soap that kills bacteria, fungi and viruses, and provides up to 24 hours protection. Showering with Dermclens Skin Cleanser before surgery will help prevent surgical site infection, including protection from an infection by bacteria that are resistant to antibiotics, such as MRSA. Dermclens Skin Cleanser is available at your local pharmacy, in 60 ml bottle, or as pre-operative shower kit, without a prescription. The pre-operative chlorhexidine shower kit allows for 2 sequential chlorhexidine showers using Dermclens Skin Cleanser. 2 showers are necessary to achieve maximum antiseptic effectiveness. The pre-operative chlorhexidine shower kit contains 2 60 ml bottles Dermclens Skin Cleanser, 2 individually packed mesh bath poof, and 1 instruction guide. You will shower with Dermclens Skin Cleanser twice, once the night before your surgery, and once the morning of your surgery. The night before your surgery, shower using Dermclens Skin Cleanser. If you are going to wash your hair, face, or genital area, do those things with your regular shampoo or soap before using Dermclens Skin Cleanser. Once you have rinsed your body, open the Dermclens Skin Cleanser bottle, and pour a considerable amount on your hand, or on a clean mesh bath poof, and rub until foamy. Turn the water off or move away from the shower stream, and massage the foamy mesh bath poof onto skin from below your face, starting with the neck, and shoulders and chest, both arms, and hands, abdomen, groin, and perineum, right leg and foot, left leg and foot, back of neck, back, and then buttocks last. Leave the soapy lather on the skin for at least 2 minutes before rinsing to allow the antiseptic effect of Dermclens Skin Cleanser to take place. Make sure you don't let Dermclens Skin Cleanser into your eyes, ears, mouth, or any wounds or deep scrapes. Do not use any other soap after using Dermclens Skin Cleanser. After you are done showering with Dermclens Skin Cleanser, dry yourself off with a clean towel. Throw away the mesh bath poof after use, and dress only with clean clothes. Do not put on any lotion, cream, powder, deodorant, makeup, perfume or cologne, after showering with Dermclens Skin Cleanser. Do not shave the area of your body where surgery will be performed the night before, or day of surgery. On the day of your surgery, shower with the second Dermclens Skin Cleanser bottle that comes with your preoperative shower kit. Use Dermclens Skin Cleanser the same way you did the night before. If you have any questions about showering with Dermclens Skin Cleanser, please refer to the instruction guide included in the kit, or you can call your doctor's office.